Hey everyone, prices are rising in the current economy, but earnings frequently do not. Budget smartphones are becoming more and more popular as a result, and the Cubot A20 is a shining example of a gadget that stands out for its low cost and distinctive features. The A20, which costs only $80, provides something uncommon in this price range: a second display. Is it, however, a wise investment? Let's test all I learned during my testing and dig right into the review. The Cubot A20 maintains the traditional design that is common to low-cost smartphones. Although the plastic body is to be expected for the price, the material isn't the strongest. Thus, for further protection, a case is advised. It feels light and comfortable in the hand with just 214 grams. The smartphone contains a micro SD slot for additional storage and supports 2 SIM cards. However, the 1.83-inch extra display on the back, right near to the cameras, is what really makes it stand out from other low-cost devices. This is a useful addition rather than merely an aesthetic one. Without waking up the main screen, you may use it to check the time, get notifications, take calls, and switch between songs. This secondary display gives the A20 a premium feel, even if it is inexpensive. It can even be used as a viewfinder for selfies taken with the primary camera, which is a great way to enhance the quality of your selfies. A 6.75-inch IPS LCD with a pixel density of 260 ppi and a resolution of 1600 by 720 serves as the main screen. Even though it's not as sharp as more expensive screens, this works well enough for daily tasks like web surfing and movie watching. The 90 Hz refresh rate is even more amazing, since it greatly enhances scrolling and movie playback smoothness. The Unisoc Tiger T616 chipset powers the Cubot A20's internal components. Although it's not meant for intensive applications or heavy gaming, it's more than sufficient for everyday tasks like social media, light gaming, and media viewing. Budget smartphones often come with 4 gigs of RAM, and the 128 gigs of internal storage offers plenty of room for pictures, movies, and apps. There are certain restrictions on the A20's connectivity. Its lack of NFC for contactless payments and inability to handle 5G networks could be a problem for consumers who depend on these services. The long battery life of the A20 is one of its advantages. Its 5,100 mAh battery allows it to operate for up to 2 days with just one charge under typical circumstances. Its huge battery makes up for the fact that it does not allow rapid charging. Such durability is impressive for a low-cost equipment. The Cubot A20 has 2 cameras, a secondary sensor for depth effects, and a 48 megapixels primary lens. With no extra lighting, the 16 megapixels front-facing camera takes mediocre quality selfies during the day, but performs predictably poorly at night. The Cubot A20, at a mere $80, presents a compelling choice for individuals seeking a unique experience without going over budget. One of its most notable features is its dual display, which enables some special functionality not usually found at this price range. Rather, it's an excellent option for retirees, students, or anybody else searching for a straightforward, daily smartphone for simple functions like making calls, accessing social media, and web browsing. To sum up, the Cubot A20 provides outstanding value for the money. Despite its drawbacks, this low-cost smartphone has features that set it apart from the competition. The Cubot A20 is a product to think about if you're searching for something cutting-edge yet still reasonably priced. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell if you like this review. May God bless you and have a good day.